Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see how to install MySQL 5.0.27 along with 8.0.33. And in the last session, we seen how to install the uh, MySQL 8.0.33, correct? So right now, what I am going to do, I am going to install 5.7.27. So let's install it. My SQL installer is starting. This is the workbench tool. With the help of that, we can connect to the MySQL server. And yeah, here we have an option, Miss MySQL installer. There is a previous which version is installed in your machine. So you will get that list. And here click on add, then MySQL servers. So click drill down it. So if your operating system is the 64-bit, then click on it and then next. And miss enable select. So means based on these options are available. Select features to install. Okay. So what I am selecting 5.7.27. Yeah, there is a nothing. And the path is already exist. So what I will do, I am going to this path and because I tried it previously, I am going to shift delete it. Continue. Got it. Just refresh it. Next and select on it. Execute. Miss a redistributed version is required x64. Got it. Then click on the next. Then what other things you have to ex required? So development components, documentation, server data and files. So development components. Okay, I am going to click on the yes, and there is a ready to install. Yes, it is installation is processing. Yeah, it's saying as a complete. Go to the next window and yeah, ready to configure. Yeah, what it is saying, actually the previous port number means 8.0 was 3306. Right now I'm making as a 3307 for it, and that's why it is getting an error. Then click on the next. Then I'm insert the password, add the password here, and put the name Sagar, localhost, or you can define your localhost 5.0. Password is this. Yeah, start means when machine is started at that time the service will start, correct? So I don't want to be start automatically. Means when machine start, click on the next, execute it. It will take few seconds. Yeah. Okay, configuration is also complete. Means installation complete, configuration is complete. Click on the finish. How to configure that MySQL 5.7.27 is available on your machine. Yeah, here you can see. And one more thing, how to check that? Go to the services, refresh it. So, or I'm just from the fresh services, then click on MySQL. So you will get 5.57 is nothing but the 5.7 and 8.0 is 80, correct? And here is the mm connection window. So you can establish the new connection. Right now I'm connecting to the 8.0. So when you execute it, and here select is the version. So 8.0.33, which is already available on the machine, and new connection means new installation of the MySQL server. So how to get that? Click on the new connection, just add it, and let's say 5.mysql 5.7 point, yeah, 5.7 I can say. And yeah, port number is the 3307, we entered it correct. And we have to insert the password whatever uh, you entered while the installation. Test connection, yes, means it is saying as the connection is succeeded. Got it. And click on it, and so you will get the server status, right? Means where it is installed, means 5.7, correct. And go on here, select version, so it is the function, so it will return us the value. Got it. Means 5.7.27, and it is 8.0.33, means both the servers are on a same machine. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.